This is the lobby of the Hyatt Centric Melbourne. And this is the Hyatt Centric Melbourne, level 23, corner room 2302. And it's a very self-contained, compact but beautiful room. Because it's a corner room, there is 2 views. Across there we can see that should be Crown. Trains going by below. Wonderful king bed. And the other view, not too bad. So from the room we can see the metro going by, and right below us these are the trams, the city trams. There's another one over there. And from the other window, the view, you can see the bay area. Overlooking the sea. And over to the left of the room is the bathroom area. And here at Hyatt Centric they're using Mr. Smith bathroom amenities. And over here, 2 doors. First one, standing shower area, which looks pretty decent. Looks good actually. And of course we have the toilet area.